Morning students. Today in computer I will teach you common task in PowerPoint. Transition are motion effects that when in slideshow view add movement to your slides as you advance from one slide to another. There are many transitions to choose from. Each one allow you to control the speed and even add sound. If you have ever seen a PowerPoint presentation that had special effects between each slide, then you can scene slide transition. A transition can be simple as fading to the next slide or as complex as a flashy eve catching effects. This means you can choose transition to fit the style of one presentation. About transition, there are three categories of unique transition to choose from, all of which can be found on the transition tab. Subtle, exciting, dynamic content. Select the slide you wish to modify. Click the transition tab. Locate the transition to this slide group. By default, none is applied to each slide. Click the mode drop down arrow to display all of the transition. Click a transition to apply it to select slide. This will automatically preview the transition as well. To preview a transition, you can preview the transition for a selected slide at any time using this method. Click the preview command on the transition tab. To add sound, select the slide that include the transition you wish to modify. Click the sound drop down menu in the timing group. You will hear the sound and see a live preview of transition as you hover over each sound. Click a sound to apply it selected slide. Animating text and object. In PowerPoint, we can animate text objects such as clipboard shapes and pictures. Animation or movement on the slide can be used to draw the audience attention to specific content to make slide easier to read. PowerPoint offers a variety of animation you can use of enhance your presentation. Animation can be used to make text or object appear on a slide. Exit a slide to emphasize the text or object already on slide. You can even use motion path to create a customized animation type of animation. Entrance. This control how to object enter the slides. Emphasis. The animation occur while the object is on the slide, often triggered by a mouse click. Exit. This control how to object exit the slide. Motion path. These are similar to emphasis effects, except that the object move within the slide along a predetermined path like a circle. To apply animation to an object, select an object, click the animation tab. In the animation group, click the mode drop down arrow to view the available animation. Select the desired animation effect. The object will now have a small number text to show that it has an animation slide pane. The slide will also have a star symbol text to it. Thank you, students.